How to unlink Instagram from Facebook. Now, the very first thing we're going to do if we want to detach or unlink our Instagram account from our Facebook account is to go to our main menu right here and scroll down until we find Settings and Privacy. All we have to do is to tap on that and click on Settings right here. Once we're here, all we have to do is to tap on Account Center and scroll down to the very end until we see Accounts right here, so that we can review every account that is linked to one another. Now, in order for us to unlink or detach our Instagram account from our Facebook account, all we have to do is to tap on Remove right here on every Instagram account that is linked on our Facebook. All we have to do is to tap on Remove right here and remove the account specifically into sharing across our profile. Right there. After removing that specific Instagram account, the combination of our syncing up profile on that specific Instagram account to our Facebook account is no longer existent. So now we have successfully unlinked our Instagram account from our Facebook account. So that's how to unlink Instagram from Facebook. Hope you help.